A support team has identified an unauthorized password cracking tool on a company-provided mobile device. What is the best method to stop further unapproved software from being installed on such mobile assets? Option A, apply group policy configurations. Option B, enact a PAM protocol. Option C, load mobile anti-malware utilities. Option D, roll out an MDM solution. Okay, so the key question here is about stopping further unapproved software from being installed on such mobile assets. The correct answer here is option D, roll out an MDM solution. Further unapproved software from being installed can only be prevented by implementing an MDM solution, which manages and enforces security policies. Option A, applying group policy configurations, is insufficient for mobile devices, as they are typically not locally connected. Option B, enacting a PAM protocol, is inapplicable to this situation, as it focuses on controlling elevated user access. Option C, loading mobile anti-malware utilities, is useful for protection, but does not prevent further unapproved software from being installed.
Let's think about the core concepts here. The scenario deals with securing mobile devices and enforcing controls to prevent the installation of unauthorized applications. We need to consider which administrative tools are specifically designed to manage mobile endpoint configurations, application lifecycles, and security compliance across mobile hardware.
In my view, the correct answer is option D, roll out an MDM solution. Mobile device management is the industry standard solution for managing, monitoring, and securing mobile assets. By deploying MDM, administrators can enforce policies that restrict the installation of unauthorized applications, remotely manage device configurations, and ensure compliance across company-owned mobile devices.
Let's look at why the other options are incorrect. Group policy is primarily used for Windows domain environments, not for mobile devices. Privileged Access Management, or PAM, is designed for managing administrative credentials on servers and infrastructure, rather than controlling application installations on mobile endpoints. Privileged Workstations, or PWS, are designed for secure access to critical functions, rather than controlling application installations on mobile endpoints. Finally, while mobile anti-malware software is a useful security layer to detect malicious code, it does not provide the broad administrative control over application lifecycles and device configurations that an MDM solution offers. Keep in mind for your exam that mobile-specific management tools are required for mobile endpoints.